Hello, my name is Saleha Iftikhar. I'm a senior majoring in cell biology and neuroscience with a minor in business administration, and my hometown is Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. Teaching RUFYT as a domestic student has really broadened my vision in terms of how different the lives of people my age can be. Although everybody has some sort of difficulty adjusting to college, international students have a much bigger learning curve to get through. They have to learn the whole US academic system. They have to adjust culturally. Sometimes there's language barriers. And when you're a domestic student, the cultural aspect is not something you have to really deal with because you grew up here. And it also helped me realize how important it is to have programs such as RUFYT in place to help them. Their experiences are similar in some regards to domestic students in the sense that they take similar classes. They're still college kids at the end of the day. They want to know what events are going on, what jokes are popular. They're just looking to belong. In terms of what resources have helped me, joining clubs, making my own club. I created Beauty and Brain here at Rutgers, and it really helped me find my own community. Going to events that are posted, talking to your neighbor in your dorm. For me, it's definitely been the Asian American Cultural Center. I started off as a mentor there and I ended up later working there. And it's just been a really, really welcoming space, and you're able to meet people of similar interests. It's a really good place to start off with, especially as an Asian American or if you are an international student. It's really, really easy to meet people there, and they're always having events. Thank you.